this is Aaron. Today we're unboxing the LG Harmony 3. So here's the front of the box. I'm not showing this up, it's the eye. Here's some information. Here's the back of it. And here's the complete bottom of the box. So you can see a picture of the phone. 5.7 inch HD full plus displays. Has a new 18:9 aspect ratio with Android Pie. 13 megapixel rear facing camera. 5 megapixel front camera. Got a fingerprint sensor. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. Here we got the smartphone. You get included the charger, quick start guide, terms and conditions, SIM card tray opener, yada yada yada. So the SD card is inside the SIM tray. Here's the phone. Let me peel off this IMEI sticker. But yeah, here's the phone. So yeah, to be clear, this is the LG Harmony 3. Now the box. We got our SIM tray opener included for safety and information. We got our Cricket SIM card already inside the phone. This is all the information that comes in the box. Now let's go over this quick start guide. You can pause this and read this if you'd like. It's in English and Espanol. We're not going to go through the terms and conditions in this video, but in a future video we may. If you want to see me read the terms and conditions, let me know in the comments. We got a product warranty and safety information. Sorry about the copyrighted music. And here we do get a micro USB cable, kind of disappointing for 2019. That's one of LG's higher end budget phones. But I like how the box is designed though. Here we get our LG wall brick, not wrapped in anything. So yeah, we got micro USB. Here we got all three models of the LG Harmony. We got the LG Harmony 1. I remember this phone when it first came out. It was very nice. It's the LG K20. Here's the LG K30, which is the Harmony 2. A very nice phone. And here we got the Harmony 3. Here's the side of the phones, top of the phones. You see the 2 and the 3 have the fingerprint scanner, the 1 does not. The bottom of the phones. Hold on, let me focus. Here we got the right side of the phones. The Harmony 3 has a notification light. As you can see, the LG Harmony 1's running Android Nougat, the Harmony 2 is running 8.1 Oreo, and the Harmony 3 is running Android Pie. So far, there are no current news about the updates, but I'll let you know when there's an update available.